Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram is not sending a verification code problem.
Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now tap on Connections. In this menu, tap on Mobile Networks. Here, enable the toggle next to Data Roaming. This will allow your phone to receive the verification code outside of your home network's coverage area. Now tap on Network Operators. Here, turn off the toggle next to Select Automatically. Wait for your Android to scan for all the available networks, and then select your network from the list. Go back to the Telegram app and try to request a verification code again. If the issue remains, open the Google Play Store and search for Telegram X. It is a different version of Telegram offered by the company and completely safe to use. Download and install it. Once installed, enter your Telegram phone number and then request the verification code again. If you still experience problems, download any free VPN app from the Play Store. Once downloaded, open the VPN app. Now tap the Connect button. Once you see the key icon on the status bar, return to the Telegram app. Then try to request the verification code one more time, and your issue will be fixed. So that's basically how you can fix Telegram is not sending a verification code problem. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.